Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com, Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the two QR codes on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Nguyen. She's a personal financial advisor and a Viet Capital Securities stockbroker manager. You can contact her with the email hongdongwet@vcse.com.vn with the phone number is 8491-432-6556. And we always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trường Đạo Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And today I'm going to share with you about Vietnam Strategy 2023, other financials, higher interest rates to benefit insurers. Summary: we believe the life insurance market in Vietnam has room to grow further as one, the government targets 50% penetration for life insurance by 2025 compares to the current level of 11% according to the Ministry of Finance. And two, as we expect more customized insurance products with diverse embedded benefits along with three, the embedded insurance law that becomes effective on the 1st January 2023 to provide a strong legal framework for the sustainable growth of the industry. In addition, we expect one, heightened risk awareness after COVID-19, and two, the higher interest rate environments can continue to support insurance demand, especially for products with embedded saving benefits. We forecast 2023 forward new business premium growth of 12% year-over-year. We believe investment-linked products, especially unit-linked products, will remain a key growth driver for the life sector. Moreover, we estimate that the technical discount rate has increased since late Q3 2022. We almost expect the increase in government bond yields in 2022 will continue to support a higher technical discount rate in 2023 and thus support a lower level of mass reserve expenses for life insurers. In the non-life insurance sector, we expect a slowdown in manufacturing and production and export and import activity in 2023 forward, which could create pressure on insurance demand. Therefore, we forecast lower direct premium growth of 10% year-over-year in 2023 forward, compares to 16.9% year-over-year in 2022 forward. However, our forecast reflects our expectation that one, demand for healthcare insurance remains high, and two, an increase in construction activity in 2023 forwards could support higher demand for construction insurance as well as occupational personal accident insurance. Additionally, we expect the loss ratios of non-life insurers will increase to the pre-COVID-19 average level due to the resumption of normal social conditions and strong premium growth in 2022. Following 200 basis points of interest rate hikes in 2022, we believe investment returns for insurers will improve as term deposits and government bonds accounted for around 80% of insurers. total investment portfolios as of 2021. According to the Insurance Association of Vietnam, furthermore, provision expenses for impairments of equity investments should be lower if our expectation for a recovery in the Vietnamese markets proves correct. We expect a recovery in the stock markets to support the securities sector in 2023. The VN index is trading at an attractive valuation with a 12-month trailing PE of 10.5 times, which is more than two standard deviations below the 8-year average trailing PE. We have seen strong net foreign inflows in the last 2 months of 2022 and expect this trend to continue in 2023. We forecast the average daily trading value on Vietnam's free trading venues to decrease by 18% year-over-year to 700 million US dollar, which is mainly due to the high base H1 2022. While we believe Vietnam's macroeconomic outlook will remain stable in 2023, we forecast stagnant margin lending in compares to 2022 as a result of the higher interest rate environment. BMI is our top pick among the other financial stocks under our coverage. We believe BMI will be able to maintain its top foreign market position and control its combined ratio around the low end of the range in the markets. However, BMI's investment returns should enjoy a favorable tailwind from higher interest rates. BMI is currently trading at a trailing PB of 1 times compared to its peer median at 1.5 times. And let's see on the screen. We continue to the securities key sector data. Securities sector summary valuations, insurance sector key data, and insurance sector summary valuations. Insurance recap and outlook. Life insurance. New business premium growth fell to single-digit range for the first time since 2017. Annualized growth of new business premium in 9 months 2022 was 9.6% year-over-year, lower than 18.1% year-over-year in 2021. Therefore, we believe annualized 9 months 2022 total direct premium growth of 15.9% was driven by renewal premium. According to the Insurance Association of Vietnam, in the last 10 years, average new business premium growth was more than 20% from a low base, and the growth of new business premium received through banks was around 30% on average. In addition, new business premium received through traditional agents decreased 10% year-over-year. Meanwhile, new business premium received through banks increased 30% in 9 months 2022. The IAV stated that 1. The slowdown in new business premium growth was expected following the strong growth over the last 10 years, and 2. The negative impact of COVID-19 on traditional Asian recruitment hindering the premium growth of this channel. However, we believe the life insurance market in Vietnam still has room to grow Further, as one, the government aims to increase life insurance penetration to 15% of the population by 2025, compares to a current level of 11% according to the Ministry of Finance. Two, more customized insurance products will with diverse embedded benefits will attract customers. And three, the embedded insurance law that becomes effective on the 1st January 2023 will provide a strong legal framework for the sustainable growth of the industry. Total direct premium market shares remain stable, while new business premium market share experience structural changes. The top five life insurers total direct premium market share in 9 months 2022 was 77%, and BVH continued to have the highest market share, 19.5%. However, BVH lost its top three position in terms of new business premium to Dai-ichi Life. In addition, MBH's life insurance, a subsidiary of Miniari Commercial Joint Stock Bank, entered the top five with its new business premium market share of 7.6 times. New business premium and growth percent. Market share of life insurers in terms of new business premium, total direct premium and growth. Market share of life insurers in terms of total direct premium. 9 months 2022 premium growth was driven by demand for unit-linked products. In 9 months 2022, investment-linked products accounted for 61.2% of total new insurance policies, compares to 58.1% in 9 months 2021, in which universal life policies decreased 22% year-over-year, and unit-linked policies increased 92% year-over-year. New insurance policies by product in 9 months 2021, 9 months 2022, 1,000 policies. New business premium received through banks and other distribution channels. We expect the technical discount rate of life insurers will continue to trend favorably in 2023. Starting from 2022, discount rate for the reserve calculation is based on 100% of a maximum 80% in the average interest rate of government bonds with a term of more than 10 years that were issued within 24 months before the reverse is set aside. Meanwhile, the primary government bond yield dropped significantly through 2021. We estimate that the reference government bond yield for the technical discount rate has increased since late Q3 2022, and expect the increase in government bond yields in 2022 will continue to support a high technical discount rate in 2023, thus supporting a lower level of mass reserve expenses for life insurers. Vietnam's 10-year government bond yield and estimated reference bond yield for technical discount rate. Non-life insurance premium growth bounced back after 2 years and was driven by healthcare insurance. Annualized 9 months 2022 premium growth was 19.2%, the highest in the last 5 years. We attribute this strong performance to one, a low base in 2021 when restrictions on business activities and mobility dampened demand for non-life insurance. And two, the heightened awareness of people in the wake of COVID-19 supporting demand for healthcare insurance. In 9 months 2022, healthcare insurance was the largest product line as its premiums amounted to 16.4 trillion Vietnam dong, more than 30% year-over-year, which accounted for 32.8% of total premium. The second largest product line was motor vehicle insurance with premiums of 13 trillion Vietnam dong, more than 17% year-over-year, which accounted for 26.2% of total premium. We expect premium growth to slow in 2023 forwards. We expect a slowdown in manufacturing and production activities and export and import activities, which could create pressures on insurance demand. Therefore, we forecast lower direct premium growth of 10% in 2023 forwards. However, our forecast reflects our expectation that 1. Demand for healthcare insurance remains high too, and an increase in construction activities in 2023 forwards could support higher demand for construction insurance as well as occupational personal accident insurance. PVI maintained the top premium market share in 2021. PVI took over the top position from BVH, and it has been a challenge for BVH to regain market share since then. Meanwhile, BMI is striving to achieve the third position with 9 months 2022 market shares of 8.8% compares to PTI's 9 months 2022 market share of 9.1%. Total direct premium and growth market share of non-life insurers. Total direct premium by lines of business in 9 months 2022. Loss ratios increased from a low base in 2021. From our observation, most non-life insurers experience higher loss ratios in 9 months 2022, while the industry's loss ratio is approaching the pre-COVID-19 average. We expect further upward pressures on the loss ratios of non-life insurers in 2023 forwards due to 1. The robust non-life insurers premium growth in 2022 and 2. Upward pressure on claim cost, especially for motor vehicle and property insurance caused by inflation and supply chain disruptions. Premium share and loss ratio of each business line in 9 months 2022. Loss ratio of top 5 insurers 2017 9 months 2022. Deposit rates and return on investment of insurers. Investment income of insurers to improve as a result of the rising interest rate environment. We observe that the return on investment of insurers decreased in the decreasing interest rate environment in 2011 to 2021. However, the investment returns of insurers picked up in 2020 while deposit rates reached new lows. which we believe could have been due to the decision of insurers to sell government bonds and realize one-off gains, similar to what we observed at BVH in Q2 2020. Following the 200 basis points of interest rate hikes in 2022, we believe the investment return of insurers will improve as term deposits accounted around 72% of non-life insurers' total investment portfolios as of 2021, while term deposits and government bonds accounted for around 80% of each life insurer's portfolio according to the IAB. Insurance stock under coverage. About Viet Holdings, BVH outperforms rating with target price of 57,200 Vietnam dong per share. BVH is a major player in Vietnam's insurance market and has one of the largest agency networks in terms of headcount. Life insurance is largest business and its life premium growth has been hampered by the company's inability to sign large bank insurance deals like its foreign competitors, as well as their weakness in its unit-linked product offering, which means it is missing out on this hot product line. If BVH successfully launches unit-linked products in 2023 and enlarges its market shares in new business premium, this would then provide upside to our forecast. We expect a slowdown in premium growth for both BVH life and non-life sellers due to weakening demand for insurance caused by economic challenges in 2023 forward. However, given the potential growth of the sector, we forecast life and non-life premium growth of 7.8%, 7.7% in 2023 forward, compares to 11.2%, 10.2% in 2022 forward, respectively. We expect pressure from claim expenses will remain high in 2023, driving the loss ratio from a low base to approach the pre-COVID-19 average. On the other hand, we expect the increase in government bond yields in 2022 will continue to support a higher technical discount rate in 2023 and therefore support a lower level of mass reserve expenses at BVH. In addition, we believe the net financial income of BVH will improve from a low base in 2022 due to one, higher financial income resulting from the higher interest rate environment as government bonds and term deposit respectively accounted for 28% and 59% of BVH investment portfolio as of Q3 2022, in addition to lower pressure on provisioning expenses for impairment in equity investments. Bảo Minh Insurance BMI buying rating with target price of 30,400 Vietnam dong per share. BMI is the fourth largest non-life insurance company in Vietnam and has a strong foothold in the growing health and personal accident financial insurance segment, thus supporting the company's profit margin, while the top two leaders BVH and PVI lost market share in 2021. BMI successfully defended its market share at 7.8%. According to our estimation, BMI had the lowest loss ratio among the top five non-life insurers in 9 months 2022. According to BMI has done a solid job in improving its loss ratio over the last few years. We expect its ratio will increase from a low base in 2022 to 34.4% in 2023 forward as the return of normal social conditions in the wake of COVID-19 and strong premium growth in 2022 could trigger higher claim expenses. Although BMI's earnings growth could be pressured by economic challenges in 2023, we expect it will still be able to maintain its top four position and control its combined ratio among the low end in the market. Moreover, we believe BMI's net financial income will improve from a low base in 2022 due to one, our expectation for a recovery in the stock market, and two, higher deposit rates resulting in higher interest income as term deposits and certificate deposits accounted for 86% of its total investments as of Q3 2022. BMI is currently trading at a trailing PB of 1 times compared to its peer median at 1.5 times. Yeah, and that brings me to the end of my presentation today. So, if you want to open a legal trading account, don't hesitate to contact with us with information on the screen so that we can assist you. Like, subscribe our channel, and share this video to everyone to know more about our channel to receive the helpful information. So thank you for your listening and see you next time.